Dear students, today we have to start from question number 8, exercise 2a, question number 8. Kiran needed 3 pieces of red wool for a sock that she was knitting. Each piece had to be 5 by 6 meter. If she bought 4 whole 3 by 4 meter of wool, how much wool did she have left over? So 3 pieces of 5 by 6 meter. So total will be 3 into 5 by 6. So 3 to just 6, 5 by 2 meter. And total wool, how much it was? Bought 4 whole 3 by 4. So left wool will be 4 whole 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2. 4 4 just 16 plus 3 19 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Take LCM of 4 and 2, that is 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 into 19, 19 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2, 2 5 is 10. So 19 minus 10, that is 9, 9 by 4 or 2 whole 1 by 4. Question number 9. What portion of sari can Janab paint in 1 hour if it requires 7 hours to paint the whole sari? Whole sari is painted in 7 hours. Therefore, in 1 hour, 1 by 7 part of the sari will be painted. Therefore, in 2.5 hours, 1 by 7 into 2.5. That is 1 by 7 into 2 to the 4, 1 5, 5 by 2. So 5 1 the 5 upon 7 to the 14. So in 1 whole 3 by 4 hours, 1 by 7 into 1 whole 3 by 4. So 1 by 7 into 4 1 the 4 plus 3. 7 7 by 4. So this 7 and this 7 will cancel. You will get 1 upon 4. Now question number 10. There are 2 bags of rice. One bag weighs 76 whole 5 by 6 kg and the other weighs 42 whole 2 by 3 kg. If 5 by 7 of the total weight is sold, find the weight of the remaining rice. So total weight of rice is 76 whole 5 by 6 plus 42 whole 2 by 3. So it is for 76 plus 42 plus 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3. 76 plus 42 is 118 plus take LCM of 6 and 3, that is 6 divided by 6 1. 1 into 5, that is 5 plus 6 divided by 3, that is 2 to the 4. So 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 by 6. So 118 whole 9 by 6. 9 by 6 means 3 by 2. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. Or you can write this 119 whole 1 by 2 kg also. 5 by 7 of the total weight is sold. So sold rice will be 5 by 7 of the total, means this 119 whole 1 by 2. So remaining rice will be 119 by 2, 119 whole 1 by 2 minus 5 by 7 of 119 whole 1 by 2. So 119 whole 1 by 2 is common. 1 minus 5 by 7. And that is 119 whole 1 by 2 into 7 1 just 7 minus 5, that is 2, 2 upon 7. And ultimately 119 into 2, 238 plus 1, 239 by 2 into 2 by 7. So 2 and 2 will cancel. You will get 239 by 7, that is 34 whole 1 upon 7. Last question of this exercise. Baby rabbit weighs 7 by 16 kg and pup weighs 3 by 4 kg. So pup is heavier than the baby rabbit by 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 16, or 3 by 4 multiplied by 16 upon 7. So 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 12 upon 7. 12 upon 7 means 1 whole 5 by 7 times. So pup is heavier. Pup is 1 whole 5 by 7 times heavier than baby rabbit. So this is your answer. So now this exercise is over. Thank you and have a nice day.